Hello everyone, today we will fix laptop screen locking and shut off problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Go to Windows search bar, type control panel, click and open it, click on power options, click on change plan settings, click on change advanced power settings, expand hard disk, type never on battery, type never on plugged in, expand PCI Express, expand link state, turn off both the options, click on apply, click on OK, change both the options to never, click on save changes. That's it. Thanks for watching.